Potato gratin would have to be my most favourite potato dish of all time. Yes, even above chips. And what I love about this recipe that I'm about to show you is it's even more delicious than the classic, which just has the combination of cream and potatoes. This one also has lots of onions through it, some pancetta, and what makes it extra special? Lots of cubes of cheesy mozzarella. Now, with a usual potato gratin, you would thinly slice the potatoes and do all those intricate layers, but this one I'm cutting corners and it works a treat. I'm parboiling my potatoes, so as soon as it comes up to the boil, just cook them for about 5 to 10 minutes. So in a pan, we need to cook our onions. So a little bit of olive oil, just a drizzle. You could use butter too if you like. And then in with our onions, you need about 3 onions, a good pinch of salt, and we'll just give that a toss. And these need to cook for about 15 minutes until they're really soft, slightly caramelised. Just give them a quick stir. And while these are cooking down, we can add some lovely thyme. Thyme, onions, potatoes are best mates, and be quite generous with it. Smells fantastic. And there is a style of potato gratin with onions in it. It's actually called pomme boulanger, but you wouldn't add cream to it. It would just be stock. I actually prefer it with the cream addition and the cheese because it just makes it a little extra rich, super delicious. Okay, while they're cooking down, I'm going to cut some pancetta and I'm going to cut it into small lardons. And fat and all, this fat is flavour and it's going to render down in our onions. So we're just going to slice that and then cut them into little batons or lardons, about that size, and that can go into and cook with our onions. All right, the potatoes are cooked. I've cooled them down slightly so I can handle them. And now I'm just cutting them in half. And this is what makes this gratin super speedy. And the reason that they're not entirely cooked through is because, yes, I want them to hold their shape. But if they're just part cooked, it gives them time to slowly soak up the delicious juices of the cream, the white wine, and all the yummy onion mixture. Now, before we combine them both together, we'd have to add a few more little things like the white wine. And we'll just turn the heat up. After that starts to bubble away, in with lots of cream. So we'll pour that in. And yes, it looks like a lot of cream, but the potatoes will soak all of that up. We'll just give that a quick stir and we'll just let that cream warm through. I'll grab a gratin dish. You don't want it to be too big because you want this to fill up nicely so it looks quite plentiful. So in with our potatoes, quite rustic looking. All right, our cream is bubbling away nicely. We'll take that off the heat and just carefully pour that over our delicious potatoes. Now grab yourself a fork and a spoon and just carefully spread that out. And now for the mozzarella, the most perfect melting cheese. It's going to be lovely and gooey and of course give us a really nice creaminess. And you can grate this if you like, but I kind of like to dot cubes of mozzarella over the top of this. So we just see it melt away nicely and we see the cubes. So what I'm going to do is just dot them over the top, and then this goes into the oven about 200 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the potatoes are completely cooked through and we've got a lovely golden top. I must say, I am so impressed with this potato gratin. Look at that lovely cheese, how it's formed a gorgeous crust, caramelised, golden. I have to have a taste of this one. Now, when you bring it out of the oven, it's going to be bubbling away. Do allow it to cool slightly, and also allowing those potatoes to settle and absorb even more of that lovely creamy cheesy sauce. And I'll take that out. Oh, look at that. Place it onto a plate and grab some more of that cream and that pancetta and a simple salad. Because there's so much going on with the potatoes, you want it to be simple. This is just some spinach and a little bit of parsley there, some vinegar and olive oil. All right, let's have a taste. I want the part that has all the mozzarella on top. That, see how crunchy it goes? Potato gratin, truly one of the best potato dishes of all times, and now made even better with loads of yummy, cheesy mozzarella.